One of the most important formula in Excel is actually Excel references. And in this video, we will be learning how to use references. So let us jump into the data. As you can see that I've given you a data which says appointment tracker. This is the date 5th September 2021. Booked appointment is 29. Cancellation is 6. Walk-ins is 3. So basically I would like to find out the total patients and the cancellation percentage. So first of all, I'll show you how you calculate total patients have come. The formula you will use is equal to, that is book appointment plus your walk-ins, that you have to minus your cancellation, that is 6, that is D9, that is equal to D8 plus D10 minus your D9. So when you press enter, it tells me total patients who have come is 26. Now I would like to find out the cancellation percentage. So the formula is like this, equal to, you say cancellation, that is 6, that is D9, that you divide it by, that is your booked appointment, that is D8. So when you press enter, you get some option like this. Now this has to be converted into percentage. So you click over here on your cell, click on your home option, and instead of general you make it as percentage. As you can see, it's saying me 20.69 percentage. I would like to round up this figure. So you can click on this icon over here, increase decimal, decrease decimal. So when you click on decrease decimal, you have an option called as 21 percentage. So this is how you can use this option of yours called as references. Now the same thing, the same data, I have got some second data where I would like to have different dates. Here in the earlier example, I have just given you only one date over here, so you can use this formula like this. Now in this case, I have different dates and I would like to have their total patients and cancellations. The formula is I have already given over here. The same formula what I have earlier example I have used actually. I just have to copy this entire data, this entire formula in the next remaining cells actually. So you just have to select this formula of yours, press Ctrl C, then select this entire range and press Ctrl V. So that's how you can copy this formula over here. So that is the beauty of this option of yours called as references. So let us see my next example where they have given you to calculate the bonus option. I have given you some salesperson's name, I have given you some date and the amount is given over here. Now in this case they have given you different bonuses, 2%, 3%, 5%. So according to this amount, we would like to calculate the 2% how much will be the bonus, and 3% how much it will be, and 5%. So if you calculate, this is how you do it actually, equal to amount, that is that E5. If you multiply that with 2%, if I press enter, I get this value over here. But what happens if I drag it? It doesn't give me the right answer. See? So this is wrong way of doing it actually. So for doing this, you have to lock your row and column. So this is the use of this second, example of references. So how do you do that is, I'll just do the formula again, equal to, this amount is there, that you multiply with your 2%. Then you're supposed to lock this E5 and F4. So you just keep your cell pointer here, press this button called as F4. So when you press this button called F4, your E5 gets locked over here. Same thing with F4 also. This also you have to press F4. This also gets locked. Once you have locked it, because see, you have to lock your row as well as your column. This is your row and this is your column. So you will have to remove $1 from here. This dollar is there, E5. This you have to delete. Thus you use your mouse, click over then just press delete to delete that row. Same thing with column you have to do. So column, this will remain, and this dollar you will have to remove. So just click there and press this button. So this is how you lock your row and column, and then you press enter. So this is the amount which comes for 2% bonus. According to 3682, the percentage is 2%. So the value is 73,064, 73.64. And then you just drag it. So it comes for 3% also and 5%. This is the value for 3682 kilo. So now you drag it down below. So I should get it for the others also. So this is how you can do this option of yours called as bonus killing. So now let us see our next example, which is my reference 3, where I've given you only 1% is given over here. That is, the 2%. Now this is your sales person, this is your date of purchase, and that is the amount. And they have given only 1% here, 2%. Not like the earlier example where they have given you different bonuses over here, 2%, 3%, 5%. Here they have given only 1%. So you will use the formula like this, equal to, that is your value, amount, that you multiply with this 2%, and you're supposed to log this 2%. So just keep your cell pointer over here on D3 and press this button called as F4. And now if we press enter, I should get the bonus of for 2% clearly. Now if you drag it down below, I should get for the others also. So now if you change this, instead of 2%, if you make it 5%, so everything will get changed here. See, the bonus is getting changed. So if I again type here 2%, again it will get changed here, 2% clearly. So this is how you use this example. Next one was about this running total. I would like to calculate actually. Now what is this running total does is, if I write here equal to sum, this amount is there. I'll just click on the value, that is E6, then press shift and colon. So when you type this colon over here like this, shift and colon from your keyboard, you get this E6, same value. So now if you close the brackets here, if I press enter, I get the same amount 3682 over here. But when I drag it down below, I'm just dragging till here only, I get the same value here. But what I want is, I want the both total should come here. This 3680 and 1511 ka total is what? So that time we'll be using this option of yours called as running total. So I'll just delete this. I'll show you again the formula, equal to sum. Click on this value, that is E6, press shift and colon. So you get the same cell over here, E6. Close the brackets over here, and you're supposed to log this first E6. So keep your cursor over there, click your mouse over here, and press this button of yours called as F4, and then you press enter. So you get this 3682 over here. So now if you drag this down below here, I should get it for the others also. See, 5201. This is the total of this both 3682 and 1519. So both this total you're getting over here. And this is the total of 3. This till 4452, 9653. And this is the total 8617, 18,270. So like that it goes on. So this is the use of this example of running total amount. How do you calculate? And I have one more example here of your references. This is called as your table references. It is called as actually. I have a data which I have given you a bonus of 3%. I have a data here below here. I would like to convert this entire data into a table. So you just keep a cell pointer inside this data of yours. You can click on insert. There's an option called as table. You can click here, or you can press this button called as Control T from your keyboard. So when you press Control T, the entire data is got highlighted. Just say OK from here. So when you click on OK, the entire data is now converted into a table style now. The beauty of this table style is that if I keep my cell pointer over here, that is OK, on my amount, design option comes. There's an option called total rows. If I click over here, as you can see that I've got the total over here. So now if I click on this, you can see there are all different formulas are given over here automatically. If I click on average, I should get average. If I click on sum, I should get sum, or max or minimum. See, everything is ready here. Okay. If I don't want it, can just remove this tick mark from here, total rows, from design option, total rows, it will go off. Okay. So now basically what we want over here to be done is, this is the amount that I've given you actually. Now I would like to calculate the bonus. I would like to calculate the amount plus bonus, and the total should come here of your bonus come. So first I will show you the bonus, how you calculate actually using your table style part. Okay. So I've kept my cell pointer here. This is the formula we use it actually, equal to, that is this amount. Because it is a table style, if I click on amount, you can see some different option comes here, at the rate, amount, like that comes. Multiply with your 3%. So just click on the 3%, that is D3. Lock this D3 because it is fixed. So you just press this button called as F4. So when you press F4, this 3% is locked. Now if I press enter, I just not only get for the first one, I don't have to drag it. It automatically comes for the others also. See, that is the beauty of a table. When you create as a table style, this is the advantage of using this table style of yours. So I got my bonus over here. So now I would like to calculate me amount plus bonus ka calculation. So this is how you do it. Equal to, you say amount. As you can see, at the rate amount is come plus your bonus. Plus bonus, see, enter. So you got your bonus also, amount bonus. So this is the advantage of table style. Now I would like to calculate the total over here. All this full total I want, this bonus ka total should come here. So for that you just use this formula here, equal to sum, bracket open. Now here I am not used as a table style, so I have to select only bonus. So the entire thing, bonus option you have to select. One way is you can click and drag it like this. Just click and drag full thing. Okay. Or what you can do is you can say equal to sum, then bracket open, control A you can press. So it tells you this function argument on option comes here, number 1. So you can select this entire bonus list full thing, and then you can say okay. So as you can see that I got my total here, 1874.04. This is the total of your bonus cut total, which is telling over here. If I change any value over here, for example, I'll just change the 36822 to 2000. You can see that the value is getting changed here. I'll just press Ctrl Z, back to normal. And other ways you can also do, what you can do is in this table, you can change this name of your table also. If you see, if you click inside here, this data inside, design option, the name is given as table 1. So as you can see that when I'm clicking on this option over here, okay, this is called as your table 1. If you want to change the name of your table, just click inside, anywhere inside, just change that table 1 to, suppose I give the name as sales, enter. So now I've changed the name as sales. Okay, so you can change the name of your table if you want. So this is how you can change the name also. And one advantage of table is that at the end, when you keep your cell pointer at the end, if you press your tab key, I can add extra more data. You can type it over here. For example, if I just type here that is salesperson, I'm just typing my name here, Sushil Mohan. Date, like suppose date of purchase was 7/1/2023. Amount was 12,000. Bonus, see, 360 bonus, and amount plus bonus, the values come here automatically. That is the advantage of table style when you use it. So I hope you have understood references, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.